Okay, to improve that privacy, you go on the run over here. Maybe you have to go on my channel. Sometimes it doesn't appear. That is frustrating. Maybe if we go in Creator Studio. Now we got it. So, change pages. You have to change pages sometime to make that gear right here appear. So we click on that and we go in History and Privacy. And there you can check the box if you don't want here to everybody can see your liked video, your saved playlist, and your subscription. So if you don't want that anybody can know what is the channel you're subscribed to, you check that box. And if you don't want that everybody can see your liked video, well, you just check that box. And then you hit save, and we're done.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!